From the Children of Planet Earth by Original Rich Game. We all hid from the Devourers, destroyer of worlds. Luckily for us, they couldn't see. Or at least, their ships couldn't. They went about scanning for communications between planets. Once found, they attacked by pinging communications between ships, and eventually mined a world for all its resources until it was barren and dead. Stories about the history before the Devourers were amazing. Meeting other species, horrific wars, but amazing advancements in science and technology. Now, it was all stagnated. We still operated long outdated communications equipment in case someone out there stated that the Devourers were gone, or they had been defeated. That was why we were surprised when we found a message by a group we didn't even know existed. Indeed, it only made sense that there would be other races out there we didn't know existed, but the fact was, they were trying to find others. The message stated, "Hello, this is a message from the Children of Planet Earth. We have many questions for those who are out there, if you even exist. Do you exist? Do you think and feel like us? Are you planning the conquest of all others, or planning the love for all others? Would you even recognize us as sentient? Would you even welcome us? Would you even talk with us? Are we alone?" That was amazing. So many questions in one communication, when they didn't even know it would be answered. We felt pity for them. They wanted what we once had, but they could never have. We broke our one rule and communicated to them. "Do you want to be eaten? Shut that off!" They must have been terrified. Was that a threat, or a warning meant to save them from those who would destroy them? "Greetings once again from planet Earth." They started again. Did they not hear us? But then we realized, from planet Earth, not children of planet Earth. They heard us all right. They just weren't afraid of the monsters from the dark. "We want to know more about you. Who are you? Are you like us, or so magnificently different we couldn't even imagine? Where are you? We are at..." Well, they were dead. They had just stated exactly where they were. Then, we heard the message.
"We are coming, we are coming, we are coming."
On repeat, the humans seemed to have understood that they were not us, and that they were the enemy. We tracked a fleet of Devourers come near us, but miss us. Thank God they didn't hear us. But the children of planet Earth were dead. They seemed to know it. They constantly asked us for help, but we shrank back in fear. We avidly listened into the battle, picking up orders from both sides. The fighting seemed fierce. The humans had primitive weapons, but in such vast quantities, they were able to do serious damage to the Devourers. Years passed, and we didn't hear anything from them. Gone, like so many others. But then we heard the message of hope from the darkness, after 2 years of silence. "We are the children of planet Earth. We will not be defeated, and will continue to push back. We invite all to join us to answer our new question. Are we the only ones left? Or are we entirely alone out here now?